Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be completely different from previous videos because I don't have a tutorial for you today, but I have a big surprise for you, and that is, as I announced a few days ago on Instagram, a giveaway. And I'm giving away some jewelry that I made myself. You may have seen some of these pieces of jewelry in my tutorials. So now you have a unique opportunity to get some of these pieces for yourself. As you can see, they are very nice. And I would also like to say that this competition is not sponsored. I donated all the prizes to the competition directly. I bought the material with my own money and I invested my time in production. So I would be very glad if you support me and subscribe to my channel so I can do more of these giveaways, because I enjoy making people happy, even if it's just such a small thing as a handmade jewelry. At the same time, you can see authentic pieces of jewelry that I made in my tutorials, see them up close, how they actually look, see my work, and maybe it will serve as an inspiration for you. I have 6 prizes for you, and all you have to do is enter the giveaway. You can see the link in the description below, so click on it and there are 5 possible ways how to do it. All is completely free and transparent because for this giveaway I'm using Gleam.io platform, and they will choose 6 winners randomly. And I would like to ask you one more thing. It's not a condition of entering the competition, but I will be very happy if you write me in the comments what other videos would you like to see on my channel, what other tutorials would you like to see. Write me your ideas in the comments below. I will read all your comments and maybe I will choose your suggestion and make a tutorial based on it. The giveaway ends next Tuesday, 1 second before midnight, Central European summertime, so sign up soon. A few days later I will make a video where I announce the winners, and I will also present your suggestions for new tutorials. So if you want me to mention you in the video, write a comment below with your suggestion. I will also contact all winners by email so that you can send me the address where I will then send you the winnings. And that's all for today. I will be looking forward to your comments or with suggestions for new videos. And don't forget to enter the competition for this beautiful jewelry. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye!